Hello dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, this is Hina Adhikari and today we are going to start our further three exercises 5.7, 5.8 and 5.9. Okay, with this we'll complete our fifth chapter today. So students, before doing the exercise question 5.7, let me introduce a very simple or basic thing that, as the name suggests, basic elementary shapes. Student, एलिमेंट्री शेप्स मीन्स जो भी बेसिक हमारे शेप्स हैं अराउंड अस फाइन सो उनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, उनकी कुछ क्वालिटीज होती हैं, राइट. इन 5.7 विल डील अबाउट द क्वाड्रिलेटरल एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज. अब क्वाड्रिलेटरल मतलब हैविंग फोर साइड, राइट, एंड क्वाड्रिलेटरल के अंदर स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, फाइन, द थर्ड वन रोम्बस एंड द फोर्थ वन इज पैरेललोग्राम. ये फोर चीज़ें हम पढ़ेंगे स्टूडेंट. और उससे पहले इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्क्वायर एंड व्हाट इज रोम्बस. स्टूडेंट, जो भी स्क्वायर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज ओवर हियर बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट वास्ट, यू कैन से, इंफॉर्मेशन इन दैट. ठीक है, तो आपको फ्यू पॉइंट्स ओनली, बेसिक चीज़ें आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. फाइन. सो स्क्वायर और जो रोम्बस है, दे the qualities, the properties of these two having same. मतलब स्क्वायर के all four sides are same तो रोम्बस की भी all four sides are same. ठीक है, अगर स्क्वायर जो डायगोनल्स हैं वो परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं एक दूसरे. परपेंडिकुलर क्या होता है स्टूडेंट कि 90 डिग्री पे. ऑब्वियस है, सारी साइड सेम है तो जब डायगोनल बनेंगे, एंगल 90 डिग्री का है तो डायगोनल बनेंगे वो भी 90 डिग्री के होंगे, राइट. सेम विद दी रोम्बस ऑल्सो, राइट स्टूडेंट. सो रोम्बस और स्क्वायर की क्वालिटीज, प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होती है, राइट. उसी तरह ऑन द अदर हैंड रेक्टेंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम. रेक्टेंगल की ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, पैरेललोग्राम की भी ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. ठीक है, एंड देन डायगोनल्स आर बाइसेक्ट. बाइसेक्ट का मतलब, इन प्रीवियस टॉपिक वी हैव डन बाइसेक्ट मतलब इक्वल हाफ में कट करना. तो ऐसे ही जो डायगोनल है, सपोज दिस इज रेक्टेंगल, तो जो डायगोनल है दे बाइसेक्ट मतलब ओ ए इज इक्वल्स टू ओ बी, ये हाफ लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू दिस हाफ लेंथ, एंड सेम विद द पैरेललोग्राम, राइट. स्क्वायर, रोम्बस, रेक्टेंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम. The fifth type is trapezium is there student. Trapezium की जो होती है वो बेसिकली दो टाइप्स के होते हैं, आइसोलेस ट्रेपेजियम और सिंपल वन ट्रेपेजियम. ठीक है, आप इतना समझ लीजिए कि ट्रेपेजियम में ऑपोजिट साइड पैरेलल नहीं होती, लाइक रेक्टेंगल में होती, पैरेललोग्राम में होती है. ट्रेपेजियम चाहे क्वाड्रिलेटरल है पर इसमें ऑपोजिट साइड पैरेलल नहीं होती. कुछ एक बेसिक कंडीशन होता है जिसमें this condition satisfy होती, but basically we'll say the opposite sides are not parallel. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, these are some basic things you need to understand before doing our exercise 5.7. I hope you understood. So let's quickly start our question number 1 of 5.7, that is true false. And true false based on these properties only. और इसे अच्छे से समझना स्टूडेंट, because on the basis of this we have question number 2 same, right. So let's start. A part, each angle of rectangle is a right angle. yes, rectangle की जो स्टूडेंट हर एक एंगल होता है वो 90 डिग्री होता है. yes, so it is true. second, the opposite side of rectangle are equal length. yes, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, so it is also true, right student. Third part, the diagonal of square are perpendicular to one another. yes, they are also become a 90 degree angle because all sides are same, so it means this is also true. Now D part, all sides of rhombus are of equal length. yes, because square की भी all sides equal length and rhombus की भी all sides equal length. fine, so this is also true. Now next part, all sides of parallelogram are of equal length. no, parallelogram having the condition same like rectangle. rectangle की opposite होती, so parallelogram की भी opposite ही होती, not all. so it means this is false. Now next, the last part, the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. No, opposite sides are not equal, are not parallel. So this is false. Got student? अगर properties आती हैं then easily you will do this true and false. Okay? So just understand it carefully. Now coming to our question number 2, which is just based on this only. Right? So now coming to our question number 2. Now students, coming to our question number 2. See, question number 2 is give reasons. मतलब like last time we have done true and false, but that reason we were knowing, है ना, हमने लिखी नहीं थी. But here opposite question, अगर वो true है तो why it is true, if it is false why it is false. मतलब reasons बताने हैं आपको yes or no क्यों है. Right student? So see A part, a square can be sort of a special rectangle. मतलब एक स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर को हम रेक्टेंगल कह सकते हैं. यस, क्योंकि स्क्वायर की जो प्रॉपर्टीज है वो रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टीज को फुलफिल करता है. क्योंकि रेक्टेंगल की ऑपोजिट साइड सेम है तो स्क्वायर की ऑल साइड सेम तो ऑपोजिट भी सेम हुई, है ना स्टूडेंट. रेक्टेंगल की एंगल ईच एंगल 90 डिग्री, स्क्वायर का भी ईच एंगल 90 डिग्री. क्वेश्चन इज जो भी है वो उसको कह सकते हैं या नहीं. अगर वो उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज फुलफिल कर रहा है देन यस, और प्रॉपर्टीज फुलफिल नहीं हो रही सो इट मींस इट इज नो. राइट स्टूडेंट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्क्वायर कैन बी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्पेशल रेक्टेंगल. यस. व्हाई? बिकॉज स्क्वायर हैज all angle with 90 degree, and second thing student, all sides are, see all side नहीं लिखेंगे, यहाँ लिखेंगे opposite side क्योंकि rectangle की properties is going to fulfill by square, and opposite sides are equal and parallel. Right? So that is why we can say a square can sort of a rectangle. Right? Now B part, a rectangle can be sort of special parallelogram. Right? Because I told in the introduction part, rectangle and parallelogram they have same properties. So you can write कोई भी property. Yes, because reasons लिखना है इसलिए because opposite sides are equal and parallel. राइट स्टूडेंट? क्योंकि रेक्टेंगल की भी ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल और पैरेलल होती है और पैरेललोग्राम की भी, इसलिए रेक्टेंगल कैन बी अ सॉर्ट ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. राइट? वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट. नाउ सी पार्ट, अ स्क्वायर कैन बी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्पेशल rhombus. स्क्वायर कैन बी rhombus. Yes, because all properties of rhombus and square are same only. So we can, so it means yes, because all sides are equal, और this is enough. और अगर कोई है भी then also you can write, इससे आपको properties भी learn हो जाएंगे, that will be easy also. Right? All sides are equal और diagonals, and diagonals are क्या होते हैं students? Perpendicular to each other. This is the sign of perpendicular, everyone knows. Right? Very simple. Now D part, square, rectangle, parallelogram. All are quadrilateral? Yes, they all are quadrilateral. Why? Reason. Because all have 4 sides. इसीलिए they comes under the quadrilateral. Right? Now next is square is also a parallelogram. जैसे स्क्वायर कैन बी अ स्पेशल रेक्टेंगल, ऐसे ही स्क्वायर कैन बी अ पैरेललोग्राम आल्सो. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. दैट्स इट स्टूडेंट. I hope you got this question. This question is very simple. Properties fulfill करिए then yes, otherwise no, whatever. Right? I hope you got this question. This is all about question number 2. Now coming towards our question number 3. Question number 3 we have a figure can be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. So can you identify the regular quadrilateral? कौन सा quadrilateral है जिसकी all sides are equal and all angles are in equal measure? One only, that is square. So simply student, can you identify? So the answer you will write a square is a regular quadrilateral. That's it student. Very simple. Now with this we have completed our exercise 5.7. Now moving further our next exercise. Now student, coming to our new exercise 5.8, and in this exercise again we have simple and easy questions. So let's start. Question number 1. Examine the following figures are polygons or not. If they are not polygons, you have to say why. Why they are not polygons, reason also you have to say. So before starting polygon, you know polygon close होनी चाहिए. First condition. Second condition, made up by the line segment only. Line segment से होगी and closed figure होगी, then only it's come under the polygons. Right? So let's start. A part. As you can clearly see, it is not a closed figure. So what you will write? No, it is not polygon as it is not a closed figure. Right student? Because they have said no why, so you have to mention the reason also. Now B part, this, as you can see, yes, it is made up by proper line segment and it is closed also. And see how many line segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is hexagon. Okay? So write down, yes, it is a polygon as it is a closed figure. That's it. Now C part, as you can see, this is a circle. Circle closed curve होता है ना student? तो polygon नहीं होगा. So you will write no, as it is not made up by line segment. Line segments. It is a curve, right? Now D part, now you can see it is line segment, yes, but नीचे का portion is a curve. So again it is no, closed भी है student, line segment also being used, but some portion is having some curve. तो पूरी figure line segment से नहीं बनी. So what you will write? No, as it is not completely made up by line segment and it has a curve also. You can mention whatever. Fine student. So this is very simple question. This is all about question number 1. Now coming to our question number 2. Coming to our question number 2, which is very simple. Name the each polygon. You have to write down the name. And as you know, जैसे उनकी sides होंगी, according to that there will be the name. 3 side, triangle 4 side, quadrilateral 5, penta 6, hexa 7, hepta 8, octa 9, nano and 10 deca. So till 10 first of all you have to learn. Right? So let's start this. How many side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 side. So it will be a quadrilateral. Now next 1, 2, 3. So 3 side having is called triangle. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to count each line segment. 1 line segment, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 side pentagon. Right? Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 side octagon. Very simple student. Now coming to our third question. Draw a rough sketch of a regular polygon. You have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have made with 6 sides, that is hexagon. But next is connecting any 3 of its vertices. Vertices, you know student, every corner, suppose this is A, this is B, C, D, E and then F. You have to connect any 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. Using 3 vertices, you have to draw a triangle. So triangle कैसे बनेगा student? If I draw this, so this triangle ABF, this is a triangle, right? So what is the question? Identify the type of triangle. जो ये triangle बना है वो कौन सी type का है? 3 types of triangle: isosceles, scalene and equilateral. So regular polygon बोला है कि सारी साइड सेम होंगी, ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल होगी, बट दिस साइड इज नॉट इक्वल, क्योंकि डायगोनल है तो वो लेंथ जो है वो इंक्रीज ही होगा, बड़ा ही होगा, ग्रेटर होगा. सो राइट, टू साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड वन साइड इज अनइक्वल. Which type of triangle? Isosceles. So you will write this is isosceles triangle made by the regular polygon. That's it student. Very simple. Now this is all about question number 2 and 3. Now moving further, our next question. Now coming to our fourth question. Draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. So let's draw first. You have to count also while drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right student? This is octagon. Can we give name? A, B, C, D, E, F, G and then H. Right? This is regular octagon. Next line is draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of its vertices. Vertices, points we have given, right? So we have to make a rectangle. Fine. So either you can join like this manner, बीच का rectangle बन जाएगा. So anyhow exactly 4 बोला है. So I am joining this H to C, 2 vertices, and G to D. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and we made one rectangle. That's it student. Whatever is question, according to that we have solved the question. That's it. Now coming to our next question. Question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment join any two vertices of a polygon. बोला है कि डायगोनल क्या होता है, किसी भी, ये भी तो एक डायगोनल स्टूडेंट, कोई भी दो वर्टिसेस हमने ज्वाइन किए है ना. बट एक चीज है, डायगोनल हमेशा ऑपोजिट साइड के साथ ज्वाइन होता है, एडजेसेंट के साथ नहीं. दो तरह की साइड होती है, एडजेसेंट एंड ऑपोजिट. सो ऑलवेज डायगोनल विद द ऑपोजिट साइड वी कैन ड्रॉ. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच ऑफ पेंटागन. पेंटागन मींस 5 sides. So let's draw first pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. We drawn pentagon, right? Next is draw its diagonals. So पहले student naming दे दे, A, B, C, D and then E. You have to draw the diagonal. Suppose A से आपको एक diagonal लगाना है opposite side. D and C. B and E are adjacent. Opposite से बनाया. Now point E का opposite B and then one C. Right? C, A and E. Already we have drawn. So in such a manner we have drawn the diagonals. That's it student. This is all about question number 5, which is very simple. So have you seen students, all the questions are just a basic questions only. You need to understand the question and then fulfill as a solution. That's it. Right student? So this is all about our exercise 5.8. Now coming to our last exercise 5.9, which is again very simple. So let's start. Now coming to our last exercise of our chapter number 5, that is 5.9. So the only 2 questions we have in this exercise, and which is very simple student, about the shape. You just recognize the shape, you just need to tell the shapes. Right? So A part, question number 1, match the following. You have to match. But students, when you will do this question in your notebook, you no need to match it. You have to draw. cone का figure in front of it only, sphere figure in front of it only, right? So here I am going to match, but you have to draw in front of it. Okay, so cone, where is cone, student? You know, so this is cone, A part. Now sphere, where is sphere, student? Not circle, जैसे football है, football is also a sphere shape, so this is ball, ball is also a sphere shape, so this is B part. Now cylinder, you know cylinder, it's 3D shape, so cylinder, this is cylinder, C part, right? Roller, जैसे आपका बेलन है रोटी बनाने में, have you seen? That is also a cylinder shape, right? Cuboid, you know cuboid rectangular में होता है but 3D shape में, so this is a kind of book or notebook, so this is cuboid. Now last is pyramid, so pyramid is this only, so this is E part. Very simple, student, but you have to draw in front of it only, right? Now coming to our question number 2, what is this shape? Means A part, your instrument box, कोई भी बॉक्स है, चाहे आपका ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स है, एनी बॉक्स इज देयर, किस शेप में होता है स्टूडेंट? क्यूबॉइड शेप में. सो सॉल्यूशन ए पार्ट वी हैव द शेप इज क्यूबॉइड शेप. नाउ बी, अ ब्रिक, ब्रिक आल्सो अ क्यूबॉइड शेप, रेक्टेंगल की फॉर्म में होता है, यू नो स्क्वायर से बने तो क्यूब, रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में बने तो क्यूबॉइड, सो ब्रिक इज आल्सो क्यूबॉइड. C part, a matchbox, again matchbox is also a cuboid form, right student? Now D part, a road roller, you have seen roller, ठीक है, वो भी कैसा होता है, ऐसे रोलर 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 इन सिलेंडर फॉर्म ओनली, राइट? सिलेंडर की फॉर्म में होता है एंड बीच में इसका फ्लैट सरफेस होता है एंड साइड में कर्व सरफेस होता है, सो दैट इज रोड रोलर इज सिलेंडर फॉर्म. Very simple. Now the last part, a sweet laddu. जो आप लड्डू खाते हो, which shape it is? Yes, sphere shape. So these are the shape for these things, which is very simple. Now student, we have completed our chapter number 5, which is very simple, right? You have seen all the questions are just basic and very simple. So today we have completed our chapter 5. So in next coming days, according to timetable, the test would be there of chapter 5. So prepare it well. So till then, thank you so much students for watching. Do your work on time and nicely. Bye bye students.